Yes, welcome to Sungura Maltese tutorial. Today we continue where we ended on how to create an automatic Tanzanian secondary schools students result processing and management template using Microsoft Excel. Welcome to lesson 3. Let's go. We open up our sheet here, the workbook named students result template. We wait, it opens. Yes, we ended on how to find the position of the students here. We found the total and the average and the grade. Then today let us find the position. But before finding the position, let us make this sheet to look very, very good. We take this, we merge across. Merge across, center them, and bold. When I print a preview, my sheet look good or look neatly. I insert one row here so that if there is any data can be added, I will have to add here. Then to find the position here, I first count the number of students given in the row from it is A9 up to A9 up to A108. Then the position will be found by regarding the number of the 100 students. Writing the position, we say it is equal to rank. We find the position by looking the average, not the total, because we are looking the average. You can find that someone has done only 60 subjects, then we find his or her average. Then we say it is O9, O $sign 90 ratio to, then we find the final number in our row. It is 108. Then we say it is O108. We put a bracket, we hit enter. This happens to be a hash sign because in this there are hash signs also. I will show you how to remove all these hash sign. Then I will have to highlight this formula up to the below rows so that the formula and the data will be added automatically. We add the remarks to say if this grade is not F, then the student could have passed. How do we write? We say if O9 is greater or equals to 30, then this student pass. Otherwise, the formula say fail. Then we hit enter. Then this one, you can see here, this one is beyond the 30, then the student has passed it. We highlight the formula goes up to the row rows. Now let me show you how to remove all these hash signs. We start from here the tot so that when these fields are empty, even the total cell be empty, then we edit the formula as follows. We say if sum of this one equals to empty, then let it be empty. Then if sum of E9 to M9 also equals to dash, then let it be dash, no, be dash also if the sum of E9 to M9 equals to 0. Yes, equals to 0. Right. No, thank you. Equals to 0 b dash. Yes, if no, let us sheet this. Otherwise, then we say, otherwise let the formula write the sum of E9 ratio 9. Then we find the number of brackets here. 1 2 3 3. Then we hit enter. Then here what I was doing is to remove all this 0 in empty data. Now when I highlight this, you can see here if it is 2 0 0 0. No, it is empty. Now let us add another entity here, that if the total is equal to 0, then let it be empty or give a dash. If sum of E9 to M9 equals to 0, then write the formula leave empty, otherwise it have to write the sum, this one. Then you check when this data are empty, then here be empty also. Or let us say when it is 0, then let it be dash. No, let it be dash. Yes. Then I copy this and I paste this. You can see here, or in all empty cells the total max is dash. We come also to edit the formula in the average cell. We say also, if the average of E9 to M9 equals to empty, then let the formula leave empty also. If the average of E9 to M9 equals to dash rate the input dash also. If average of E9 ratio M9 equals to 0, then let it put dash also, otherwise it equal to find the average of E9 ratio M9. Yes, then we have to copy the formula up to the this has been mistaken, equal to 0, then let it be dash. For example here, let me put it 23. There is a certain mistake have been done here. If the average of equals to 0, let it leave a dash. what happens? Let's do. I don't like to see this hash. That is why I'm putting this formula. Average of equals to 0. Where it to be? There is a certain mistake being done here. I'm finding what is it. Otherwise, we have to say average. Okay. What does? Okay. Let's just proceed. We will have to edit it to conserve time. Let's just see here. Now, also we edit here to remove all these hash sign. I don't like to see them. I want to see a very good appearance here. Then I say we say if we say no we say if A9 equals to empty, then it be empty, and if O9 equals to dash, then let it be dash. Otherwise you have to find this one. Yeah, then we add some brackets here. Let's copy. What happens here? I don't like this. If O equals the dash yeah, because here there are hash signs. That is why it has failed to. Let's just edit here so that these hash signs could be removed. Okay, 0. Just put a 0 here. No, thank you. Let us neglect this. Let us neglect this. Let us neglect this. No, there is still a problem here. There is still a problem here. Now let us change the entity of this. That let us change here. If the total is equals to empty, then also let it be rent. If the total is dash, also let it be dash. If the total equals to 0, then let it put a dash. Otherwise it has to find the average of this one. Yes, that is how you can see. Now we come to the position here. We edit the formula. We don't like to see these hash signs. That is what I'm doing, so that the formula can look neat. Then we say if this one equals to empty, then let it be empty also. And if the equals to dash, let it put dash also. Otherwise it has to find the length there. Then can see. We don't like to see hash signs here, and let me edit here also. And if O2 or 9 equal to empty, write the cell left be left empty also. And if O9 equals to dash, write the formula input dash also, otherwise let's say he or she has passed the, there is a mistake here, he or she has passed the, no, we have right to put here if here, input if, then we find, you can see. Alright, you can see how the formula does well. We change the color of the fonts here. Change the color of the font for your own choice. I come here to bold this center, and then bold, increase the font. Here we have to bold. That is how I can do. Now I decrease the size of the average so that all the data can be in the print preview. All the data can be in print preview. Look, something is going. Page layout, the margin. Now, okay, we will have to do it another time. Let us go on. Yeah, I will have to merge this so that can be seen well. I think you have to merge all these ones and increase the font size. Yes, you can look. Now it is looking very, very nice. I will remove this underline here. No borders. You can see when you print a preview, it looks very good. For example, when we input the marks of this one, Diana Sospita, when we put 10, let's say 80, you can find it is calculating the average, putting the grade and the position. This is doing well. Let me bold this one. Let me bold this one. Yes, look very good. Now in this, because we have inserted a formula, then to avoid someone else who is not authorized to use your template, you can lock these cells. You can lock these cells so that they can be not altered or changed by any means. And also you can lock this one because they have been inserted with formula. Then I will show you the next lesson. Now this one is complete. I can insert another sheet and I'll rename it as a terminal. Yes, terminal. Then because this one, this terminal, I want it to look similar to the MediTem. Then I will come here. I will select it all. No, I will select it all. I will copy and paste to this so that I can just change the data only in the heading. What am I going to do? I go to change the Form 1 MediTem exam and the MediTem results by linking the key info of the terminal. What I do, I will give an equal sign. I go to key info, then I say it is Form 1 terminal exam. I hit enter. Then yes, then you can see that this is Form 1 terminal exam results. The formulas and all the particulars remain the same. I wish to enter here for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you are waiting for the next lesson.